Hello and namaste. Welcome to my channel Cookmate. This is chefneupane. Today I am going to make globally famous recipe butter chicken. This recipe will be so useful for those who love to cook at home. Let's get started. There are two main parts in this recipe. One is chicken and another one is gravy. First, I am going to start with gravy. I have prepared some garlic, tomatoes, ginger, onions, cashew nuts can be broken or whole, cloves, 1 cardamom, some cinnamon stick, bay leaf, cumin and peppercorn. Put a cup of water in a pan, add all the items what we have prepared. Apart from that, salt, sugar, Garam Masala powder, red chili powder, it's best to add a Kashmiri Red Chili powder, some butter. Let's put on medium flame and mix all together. As you can see, it started boiling. Now I'm going to cover it and cook for 15 to 20 minutes on a lower flame until it becomes mushy. Meanwhile, let's make our chicken ready. I have prepared 300 grams of boneless chicken into bite-sized pieces. I'm going to marinate it with chopped garlic, chopped ginger, salt to a taste, turmeric powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala powder, red chili powder and some yogurt. Now let's mix all together. After it's mixed, I will give rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Let's check what is happening to our gravy. It smells so good. As you can see, all the tomatoes become very soft and mushy. That means it's ready to grind. Before that, let's keep it aside to cool down, and at the same time we can cook our chicken. I'm going to pan-sear my marinated chicken in this way. Tandoori chicken is the best to use for butter chicken. Tandoor is not really usual in our home kitchen, so I'm showing you the best way to enjoy tandoori flavor at home without having tandoor. Wow, look at this. All the pieces are perfectly seared until golden brown. You don't have to cook it 100%. Rest we can cook along with the gravy. Now I'm taking out and keeping aside until our gravy get ready. See, I have grinded my previously made gravy mixture. Now it's need to be passed through fine strainer so that we can get smooth texture gravy. Well, butter chicken is also called chicken makhni, and makhni, as all we know, is not only butter but it's also velvety smooth. So remember that it has to be nice and smooth. Now I'm going to cook on the medium flame for 5 to 7 minutes. But make sure you are checking your gravy all the time. As you can see, it's become darker in color than before. Now it's time to add butter and cream. Give a gentle stir until butter and cream mix well with gravy. It's time to add our pre-cooked chicken. Cover all the pieces of chicken with the gravy and sprinkle some Kasuri Methi. Don't add too much, it can over-flavor and ruin the entire taste. Let's cover it and cook for another 3 to 4 minutes, and then our butter chicken is ready. Wow, look at this. It's so creamy and buttery in texture and looks so tempting, isn't it? My way of doing butter chicken is ready. It can be served with crispy naan, roti, even with pulao and rice. Now I'm going to plate it and serve. Please try this recipe at home and I can guarantee you that you will find it better than any other place. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. If you have any questions regarding this recipe, please feel free to write in the comment sections. Thank you. Have a good day.